KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the Thanksgiving Day edition for Thursday, the 22nd of November. I'm James Spann. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Alabama's weather beautiful today. Rain returns tomorrow night, maybe a little light rain as the weekend wraps up, and we turn colder next week. Here we go. This is the upper air look today. We got troughing over the northeast United States, and a little wave coming through Texas, and that wave will be pushing some rain mainly across the waters of the Gulf of Mexico today. That was the Mobile radar at 5:05. A little patchy light rain around New Orleans, and I guess it's conceivable that Gulf Shores and Orange Beach might see a few sprinkles today, but the bulk of that rain will stay offshore for most of Alabama. Just a very nice day. Below freezing in spots early this morning. Fort Payne at 29. 30 for Haleyville and Gaston, Birmingham at 34. And the high today should be in the low 60s with a good supply of sunshine. Around the nation, man, it's cold up in the northeastern states. Buffalo dropped to 10 degrees this morning, the coldest temperature to ever occur in Buffalo on Thanksgiving. The previous Thanksgiving record was 12, and records there go back to 1871. Wow. And thankfully, we're kind of missing that air mass. There's the watch warning map in case you're traveling. A pretty quiet day around the nation. Winter storm warnings for the Sierra Nevada mountains in California. Flash flood watches for Northern California. Winter weather advisories, some of the mountains of Utah and Colorado, and a few spots up in New York with winter weather advisories as well. But again, for much of the country, it is nice and quiet. No severe weather problems today. In fact, hardly any thunder around the nation. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. Big numbers from San Francisco north out west up to Seattle. And for the east, there'll be some rain and snow. For Alabama, the amount's 1/2 to 1 inch. And the bulk of that is going to be tomorrow night, as you'll see. Tropics, the season winding down. Nice and quiet out there. So let's take a look at the GFS, the 06C run at noon today. There's that cold trough in the northeast, troughing in the west. And for us, a beautiful day, a dry air mass, sunny with low 60s. Tomorrow, clouds will be increasing during the day. The high should be in the middle 50s. Rain breaks out to the west, and by tomorrow night, here comes the rain again. The air will be stable. I don't think we hear any thunder. Certainly no chance of any severe weather. Rain amounts, I'd say 1/2 inch for most spots. And, of course, the question is, will it rain on the high school football games? For the eastern side of the state, they might get those games in before the rain. No guarantee. But on the western side of the state, the rain probably starts during the ball games. Whatever, I'd take the rain gear for sure. But the rain moves out on Saturday. This is Saturday at midday. We think the sky becomes partly sunny. And the high will likely be in the mid-60s. For most spots. Great afternoon for the Iron Bowl in Tuscaloosa, biggest football game of the year in the state. Now, Sunday, very vigorous system through the Midwest. Looks like almost a blizzard for areas north of St. Louis up to Milwaukee. And just be aware that could create some big airport issues in Chicago Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. O'Hare and Midway, just fair warning there. But down here, there's just no moisture. So we'll probably see maybe a few clouds, but I don't know if it rains at all. This is Sunday night. Maybe a little band of showers coming through here. So we'll mention just the chance of a shower Sunday evening or Sunday night for the northern half of the state, but little if any rain. That thing might squeeze out a few snowflakes down into East Tennessee, Bristol, Knoxville, Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge Sunday night. And then Monday, we turn colder. The high will drop into the low to mid-50s, the sky becoming mostly sunny. Tuesday, we're cool and dry. These are the anomalies on Tuesday. Again, the east and the south below average with temperatures. And again, for us, the high would be around 50 and the low would be maybe in the 20s. And a week from today, Thursday the 29th, A zonal flow, a dry air mass. So it looks like most of next week will be dry. We'll go out to 10 days. This is Saturday, December 1st. Big trough in the west. And again, for us, a zonal flow and a dry air mass. So really, it looks like most of next week will be dry and maybe dry into early December. Here are the numbers coming off the European ensemble. Nice to see the 60s over the weekend, but highs maybe dropping in the mid to upper 40s early next week. It'll be pretty chilly on Monday and Tuesday. And after that, highs mostly in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. We're on a holiday schedule, so one video per day. Next video here tomorrow morning. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News. We'll be there working tonight at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. And again, happy Thanksgiving. Have a great day, and God bless.